friends, my name is Kay and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this will be a haul video, and this haul is a collective haul from the products that I got from Innisfree. So if you want to see what's in my haul, then please keep on watching. Ang mga products na to, they are from Innisfree. It is a Korean brand that is well known for their skincare products. And you can order them at their website. Ililink ko sa baba if you are interested to check out the website. So, for Innisfree, para mag-qualify ka for free shipping, your order has to be $60 and above. If you will qualify for free shipping through Korea Packet. And nagsiship sila dito sa Saudi Arabia as well as sa Philippines. So, you might wanna check out the guidelines din for, may mga guidelines kasi yung customs on the quantity na pwede nung ipasok. But for Saudi Arabia, wala naman akong na-encounter na problema sa quantity ng in-order ko for as long as babayaran mo yung duties and taxes na sisingilin sa'yo ng post office. By the way, yun nga palang shipping niya, isi-ship siya through your post office unless you have promo codes. Kasi may mga iba't iba silang promo monthly na minsan meron silang codes for free shipping through EMS. So, yung EMS, i-deliver niya na straight dun sa mismong bahay mo yung order mo. But, it's not the case all the time. Depende lang kung meron silang discount. And by the way, sa Innisfree nga pala, since na-mention ko yung mga discounts, meron silang iba't ibang offers monthly. Meron silang mga buy one take one, meron silang buy one take one sa iba't ibang lines nila. And meron din silang mga buy 5 take 5 na mga mask, yung mga sheet mask at saka sleeping mask at saka mga discounts din. Iba't iba yung discounts nila monthly. So, maiinganyo ka talagang bumili every month kasi iba-iba yung offers nila. And sa Innisfree, meron din silang tinatawag na reward stamp system. Dun sa reward stamp, parang the more you buy, the more benefits you get. So, for every purchase mo na $30 and above, makakakuha ka ng isang stamp. And one stamp is equivalent to a gift. Gift is, it could be in the form of discount or gift sets. And I have received a few of them na ipapakita ko rin sa inyo mamaya-maya lang. Let's start with my haul. So, itong haul na to nga pala hindi siya isang package lang. This is a collective haul since August. So, August, September, October na ngayon. So, it's been 3 months na ipon na lahat ng mga orders ko. And by the way, hindi ito yung, since nga na-mention ko sa inyo na $60, hindi naman to $60 worth lahat. Kasi yung mga kasama ko dito, sabay-sabay din kaming nag-order. So, per order, naghahati-hati kami para mabuo namin yung free shipping. At least, hindi mo na kailangan magbayad ng shipping fee. And kung hindi naman marami yung bibilin mo, at least may kasabay kang bumili. So, yun. So, i-share ko sa inyo yung haul. So, nandito sila lahat nakakalat. So, pasensya na kung medyo tumitingin ako sa baba. So, first is this no sebum mineral powder. So, prices for each, ilagay ko na lang din sa tabi niya. So, if interesado kayong bumili. So, itong no sebum powder na to, nabili ko siya, buy one take one siya. Kasi, may offer sila na buy one take one dun sa no sebum line nila. So, bumili ako ng dalawa. And then, the next one is this no sebum blur primer. So, this one, naka-buy one take one din siya. Pero, isa lang yung kinuha ko. Kasi, kinuha namin yung isang set na buy one take one. Tig-isa kami nung kasama ko dito na si Ruby. So, nasa kanya yung isa. So, buy one take one din to. And then, the next one is this Innisfree Perfect UV Protection Cream. So, this is a sun cream. And it's indicated for oily skin. So, hindi ko pa siya na-try. So, sabi nila maganda raw tong sunscreen na to. You can put it over makeup or just by itself alone. then the next one is this Innisfree No Sebum Toner. So, from the products na nakita nyo, you may have an idea na oily skin ako. So, mas pinipili ko yung mga no sebum products. Kasi, sobrang oily ng face ko. So, kailangan ko ng tulong para at least ma-minimize yung oiliness ng face ko. And the next item on the haul is this Innisfree Green Tea Seed Serum. So, itong Green Tea Seed Serum na to, ito yung big size nila. And this is part of their eco something. Meron siyang design over here. Meron siyang parang go green something na campaign. Yan. It's one of their best sellers and this is one product that I fell in love with sa Innisfree. Kasi itong product na to, nag-work talaga siya sa akin. Kuminis talaga yung mukha ko. Feeling ko ang bright-bright ng face ko. So, mula nang na-try ko to, lagi na akong bumibili. This is actually my third bottle kasi yung unang na-try ko nito sample size lang, mga 15 ml. Then the next one is yung regular size na 80 ml na binili ko as a set. And then the next one is this third box. And then last on this haul is this Innisfree Capsule Recipe Pack. This actually is a sleeping pack. And this is on sale. So, meron sila buy 5, get 5. So, technically, para siyang buy 1, take 1. But for you to qualify for the buy 1, take 1, you have to purchase 5 pieces ng capsule mask na to. So, you get free na 5 pieces. So, since yung mga kasabay ko bumili ng isang set, ako bumili din ako ng isang set for myself. So, I got it in 3 variants. So, meron akong yung rice. Ito, yung bija and aloe. And the one that I have already tried, yung green tea. So, 10 pieces yan. So, yun lang yung mga items na binili ko. Pero, since nga yung Innisfree, lagi nga silang may mga freebies na mga items. So, i-share ko din sa inyo kung ano yung mga free na nakuha ko. So, dun sa first order namin for the month, nakuha ko tong Häagen-Dazs na mirror nila. So, I think this is just made for Innisfree. So, diba, ang cute-cute niya. Ang cute-cute ng kulay. And it's a decent mirror. So, ang cute niya. Cute lang. Diba? So, next, for every purchase mo nga pala, nung October, since yung October yung anniversary nila, you get a free gift. So, they have this anti-aging kit. Meron siyang meron siyang 2 variants ng samples inside. Yung Jeju Orchid at saka yung soybean. So, isang small bottle yung soybean, saka 3 ng Jeju Orchid. So, I have 2. Kasi nga, since ilang beses kami umorder for the last 3 months. So, naka-ipon kami ng mga freebies. And then, this one, moisturizing kit. Then, sa Innisfree nga pala, since I mentioned about the reward stamp, meron din kaming mga freebies na nakuha dun sa reward stamp. So, for every purchase mo na $30 and above, magkakaroon ka ng freebie. So, yung una is yung my Real Squeeze Mask na green tea. This is one of their best-selling mask dun sa line na to, na my Real Squeeze na mask. Tapos, ang sunod ko naman na nakuha na freebie, itong Skin Clinic Mask. So, this is more expensive than the other one, the My Real Squeeze na mask. And I got 3 of them actually. So, I have this Madeka Soside. in this one, peptide. The other one is vitamin C. I gave it to my friend also kasi hindi pa niya na-try. Na-try ko naman na. So, I shared it with her. Next in the kit is the moisturizing kit. So, yung moisturizing kit, it comes with this cute jars na to. I think these are moisturizers. The first is the Jeju Seawater Cream, I guess. Jeju Lava Seawater Cream. And then, this one is the Green Tea Balancing Cream. So, maliit lang siya. You see, ganyan lang siya kaliit. I think it's 5 ml. And it's not bad. If itatry mo lang naman siya, so, at least, alam mo, if it's gonna work for you, then you're gonna repurchase. Actually, tatlo to. Yung isa, yung Jeju Orchid, binigay ko na lang din sa isa kong friend kasi hindi pa rin niya na-try. And this one. This is the last free item na nakuha ko from the reward stamp. This is the whitening. Ay, may focus. Whitening Pore Special Kit. So, i-post ko na lang yung picture ng actual na set nung kit. But, I gave it to my friends. I just kept this one. This is a toner. Whitening Pore Toner. So, I'm really not into whitening. Pero, since it's from Innisfree, might as well give it a try if it's gonna work for me. Syempre, free lang naman. And actually, that's one thing I loved about Innisfree. They're giving you the chance to try out other items in the form of the free samples. So, if in case na mag-work sa'yo, then bibilin mo na lang siya sa full size niya. So, yun lang yung mga Innisfree products ko. And actually, addict na addict talaga akong bumili sa Innisfree. So, if may questions kayo na about ordering or if you need help, then you can comment down below or you can send me a message through my Facebook or sa Instagram ko and I'll gladly help you. So, yun lang yung haul ko for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video and comment down below if may gusto pa kayong makita na other videos. Please subscribe if you haven't already and have a great day. Bye!